Pokemon balls, Dad. It's winner every time, but it's the most awkward price club I've ever seen. $2.50.
$2.50.
That's because these Pokeballs are like $10. Look, they have plush in here though.
You play it?
Yeah, if it's play to you win, you only got to. According to this, anyway. What does it say that at? You gonna film it too, Heidi? I should post your end of the view on YouTube. You better be play to you win for how much you are. Thank you. Well, I'd rather that than a quarter not play to you win. Vending machine's a lot number 2. I'm glad I didn't spend all my quarters on the 1 because when you play 5, you got to play 10. So I'm only going to play 1, so I have to play 2, if that makes sense. 3, 6, 4, 8. Probably the same prizes, but that's okay. Let's make sure there's no deals for... That guy is busted. You don't play that one. See, I can't play all of them, even if I wanted to. Let's see what this guy has to offer. So far, no coin mechs. So after these quarters, I am done, folks. I need to go back home. Okay, a $5 claw machine and a $2.50 I would not play if it wasn't play to you win. Don't tell the kids, but I wouldn't because it's a bit worth it when it's play to win, at least to me, because I'm going to give it away and make some kid happy. But okay, let's do this. I see a yellow capsule. Okay, this machine doesn't want to work, so I'm just going to move on before I even try. Maybe I'll just move on down. Oh, that guy's broke. Gosh dang it. Good, I got the purple capsule. And I got some little fish thing. That's cool. I'm winning toys inside little boxes all over the place. Huh. We were at slot number 3. I don't know if there's a 4th, but I see toys. So let's see if there's any deals. So I can tell if there's a toy coming, because if there's no toy, then why play it? A lot of it's basically the same toys. I really want that. It's so cool. I've won that at the Duck Claw before. Look, I won a Baby Yoda capsule. Yoda, Yada, Huda.
Did you see that freeze-dried store down there?
No, I'm still on my way to slot 4.
No, we're about ready to go now.
I'm not. There's 3 slots, and I'm on my way to 4. And then I'll... Slot. The claw machine is down there. There's a duck. Actually, there's like 5. It just rides, Rick. Oh, I need to practice for my screaming.
Oh. Cool, you won this, huh, Tim?
Yeah. So I'm going to play 1 game. See, if I lived here, I'd play all of them in one day.
Why?
To say I played all of them. I'm just going to see this guy. One of them was broke, so I'm not going to play all of them anyhow. Thank you. Did you guys go on the sides or no? Got some squish thing. So you can see the capsule there. I don't see one now, so it might... Yeah, I don't know. It might be hard winning the next thing, but yeah. I am here at a new Safeway, and we have Sugarloaf vending machines here. This guy's out of order. This guy doesn't want to turn, so I don't trust it. But yeah, this thing is... It won't turn all the way. It got jammed. So I'm going to play the bracelet one in this machine because I need toys for the Girl Scout boxes. Let's go. I feel like I'm in Montana now playing this. Thing spun really easy, and I heard a price. Wait, I got a blue one. And then we come up here. I'm always nervous when I'm out of town because Drive Up and Go is being called. The Drive Up and Go. I heard it, sweet, and the whole thing almost exploded. Nice. They got like the same colors, pink, purple, and blue.